Hello and welcome to Crypto Metaverse. Today we're going to be talking about, is it a good idea to invest in crypto? Is it good, pros and cons? That means advantages and disadvantages of crypto. Alright, so let's see if it's a good idea to invest in crypto. First, let's go to the pros. Now, it's a high growth potential. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other coins have seen massive returns for the past decades. That people, Bitcoin was one time $7, imagine $7,000 or $1 or $3 years ago, 2009, 2010. So imagine if you had Bitcoin then in a small amount, let's say around maybe $20. Now the money be a lot. Or you have 20 Bitcoin, then it will be a lot. So it has high level of growth. Okay. In most cases, it's better than stock, real estate. But remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Okay. Now, so another thing about crypto is that it is decentralized, less control. You have more of the control. All right. Crypto removes middlemen, no banks, no governments. You have full control over your assets, their private keys and wallet. So it's yours. Another thing about crypto, it is borderless. All right, it's global and it's borderless. You can send or receive money anywhere in the world in minutes. It is borderless and it can happen in 24 hours, anytime. That's a great revolution. Do you understand? So crypto is great advantage when it comes to borderless. There's no border. You can send money to anybody anywhere in the world at any time. All right. Another advantage is that tech. Just improved tech. It's digital money, Web3, smart contracts, NFTs, decentralized finance. We've talked about all these things before. So it's one of the pros of crypto. It's decentralized. It has NFTs. It has smart contracts. So this technology is new. It's evolving and it's changing. All right. You also have portfolio diversification. What it means is that you can have different currencies, different values, different digital gold. So it's huge like gold, but it's digital. So cryptocurrency is called the digital gold. Okay, so that's the advantages of crypto. Very diversified. And a lot of money can be made. Alright. Now let's talk about the risks or disadvantages of crypto. Volatility. Talk about this. It is no stable price of coin. It can go up anytime and come down anytime. Crypto is known for massive swings. No ideal. It's not ideal, it can't be stable. So if you can't stomach kind of risk like this, my friend, just give way and find something else to do, right? Another thing about crypto is that laws around crypto is not the same all over the world. It varies from countries to countries. Okay, some platforms can be seen as illegal in one country and legal in another country, so it's not stable legality for it all over the world. Then we have the issues of scams and hacks, rug pulls, fake projects, So you have flimsy scams and stuff like that. So these things happen in crypto. Rug pulls a situation whereby, like I've said before in one of my videos, somebody hypes a coin and you buy into it and it goes off, and one day they sell it off and you are left to fall to the ground. So it's a big issue about crypto. Then we also have lack of customer protection. There's no customer support line in DeFi. Okay, if you send funds to a wrong address or get hacked, there's no way to recover your money. Once you send money to the wrong address, you make one word mistake in an address, money is gone. It's lost for life. So always make sure you send money to the correct address. Double check before you send. If not, your money is gone. Okay, so if you're not a tech savvy, there's tech complexity. If you know somebody who's into computer or you don't know about technology, it's not so beginner friendly. Wallets, private keys, staking, bridging is not beginners friendly. unless you take time to learn. You have to take time to learn it, to understand it. Alright, so that's one thing about crypto. What's the advantages about crypto? Now, should you invest in crypto? With all these things we have said, is it a good idea? Do you understand the risks? You only invest in money you can afford to lose. Very important. You only invest in money you can afford to lose. Okay? You treat it as a long-term play. Like I said, start 2019, 2009, low amounts. Now it's very high. So you treat it as a long-term play. Not something you want to do today and end tomorrow. Okay? Take time to learn about how crypto works. Learn about crypto, do your research, understand it. Okay? Crypto isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's high risk, high reward asset class. So it's not a get-rich scheme. You have to study, plan, prepare, you understand, and then strategize on how you want to make your impact in the crypto space. Another thing about the crypto you must understand is, like I said, the recap is high upside, decentralized, global, fast, innovative, volatility, risks of scam, okay, and non-regulatory is very important, these things. So do your research, study very well before you invest in anything crypto. It's very, very important you do these things. Alright, so if this video has helped you to understand crypto investing better, give a like, alright, subscribe, and make your honest comment on the table. If you have any questions, you think crypto is a good idea in 2025, let's talk about it in the comment section. So thank you for watching once again. I'll always come your way with good videos and interesting videos that has to do with crypto investment, everything crypto knowledge. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.